Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing absolutely fine. How to register yourself for COVID vaccination in India? आज इस ब्लॉग में मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ कि कोविड वैक्सीनेशन के लिए आप कैसे रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं. सो विदाउट एनी डिले लेट्स बिगिन अप फर्स्ट. So to begin with, the first and foremost thing you will have to understand is you need a government ID card. Either you need an Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport, or any other card, driving license, or any other card. So either of the one. So most of us have got an Aadhaar card. So you need an Aadhaar card and you need a mobile number because you will register your mobile number and then you will get an OTP onto that number. Once you punch that OTP, you will be entered into the dashboard. Now, with one mobile number, you can register 4 family members. So if you are registering yourself, then you have 3 more members to register with that single mobile number. So say for example, if you are doing registration for 8 members, you use 2 mobile numbers. In the first number, register 4 members, then in the second mobile number register 4 members, and all these 4 members will have the different IDs because the more member you add, you will have to give them their ID. So that's how they will be validated, because after the vaccination you will be given a certificate that what vaccine you have taken, whether it is Covaxin or Covishield or any other international vaccine. The government of India will give you a certificate. So whether if you're taking from a private hospital, it will automatically be given to you. If you're taking from a government hospital, make sure you demand that certificate, because after the vaccination they should raise a certificate. If not, tell them, ask them, get that certificate, because that is important for you. And also the process is very simple. When you enroll first, after you enroll, then you will have to wait until the window opens, and then you can see when it is opening in your particular state, whichever state you are living, and then go back again to the dashboard and schedule a vaccination. So any one day you pick up and schedule it, and there you will get all, when you click on schedule, there you will get all the centers. Each center, whether it is a government hospital or a private hospital, what vaccinations they are providing, you can choose. So for example, say you want Covaxin. Now Covaxin, which is manufactured by Bharat Biotech Limited, if you need that, then you will have to see which center is giving that and pick up that center, enroll you. So once you're confirmed with your enrollment and everything and reserved the schedule, they will send it to your mobile number, a pop-up message stating what is the time when you can go and you can get your vaccination and all that, and you will have to go. So if it is a private hospital, you might have to pay money. Either it will be 250 or 300 rupees. If it is a government hospital, if it is free, then you will get it for free. Now that is one thing. After you go there with proper precautions and all, you have been given the vaccination, don't immediately leave it. And the thing is, they won't allow you to go out immediately. Rather, after the vaccination is given, you will be remaining inside for another 20 minutes or 30 minutes in the observation room, where they will observe, are you getting any kind of volatility or any kind of breathing complexity or any kind of issues or what. So once that 30 minutes window crosses and you have got no symptoms and everything is okay and all, you are good to go. So meanwhile, you get that person, so you get vaccine and then you are sitting in the observation room. Meanwhile, make sure you, before you leave, make sure you collect a certificate. Now the same thing happens for other things, but the question here is, if you are picking Covaxin, which is manufactured in India by Bharat Biotech, that time period for between first dose and second dose is 4 to 6 weeks. So from the day when you have taken the vaccine, it's 4 weeks, or maximum it can go to 6 weeks. Within that, you will have to reschedule again for the second dose, and again the same process you will follow. They will guide you when you go into the CoWIN app, and you will get it. If you are taking Covishield, the time period between first dose and second dose is 4 to 8 weeks. So 2 weeks extra. Why? Because the observation period is longer in Covishield rather than Covaxin. That's the simple difference, nothing much complicated. It's also 4 weeks, that also 4 weeks. So minimum is 4 weeks, maximum is 8 weeks. For Covaxin, it is minimum is 4 weeks and maximum is 6 weeks. That is one thing. Second thing, how, when, what, where, all that questions will be addressed when you pick up the particular FAQ. There is an FAQ which is available. Make sure you pick up that FAQ and work on it. Now, the question here is whether you are living in Karnataka, whether you are living in Maharashtra, whether you are living in Tamil Nadu, whether you are living anything. There are few states who have got certain doses and they have already started the vaccination for 18 and above until the age of 45 plus. Anyway, it is going on from 18 to 44. They have already started up today. Some state who have got very less or no vaccine dose has deferred that, and they are waiting for it to cover up, and probably they might start in next 48 hours. So which means probably by tomorrow or day after tomorrow they should start up the vaccination drive, and then they should start vaccinating once they get the doses out. So that's all the information about the Covaxin and how you register, what are the things, everything it is available. What I will do is I will put up the link to CoWIN app, also the FAQ document. I will link it up. You can go check out that, and you can read through every possible questions I mentioned there, and make sure you, your family, everybody is getting vaccinated. If you have 18 plus or anybody, please do insist them of going into the center and taking the proper vaccination, because that is the need of the hour. So do that and follow this. Now here I am stopping up. In the next short tutorial or short video, I will explain you the whole process of going into the CoWIN app and putting up the process of registering. It's very simple, but I will do it in the next way. Here I have given you all possible informations. Even then I will try to put the limited amount of information, the attachments, whatever I have, I will try to put it so you can take the advantage of it. I will put the CoWIN app link. Please go to that link, pick up that document, read that through. All questions will be clear. Now, so far, if you have watched my channel, if you have watched this video and you think this video is helpful and I have managed to explain it to you, please do subscribe my channel and do press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. And at the same time, like the video, leave your comments down below, and always remember, if you find any value in this video, please do share with your family and friends and let them subscribe to my channel. Subscribing to my channel does not cost you anything, but gives me as a content creator the boost and morale for dealing with it. Thank you very much. See you.